Oh my god. Let's build this. Let's build it. Oh no, we ain't building it. Wait, I keep on clicking the wrong buttons, guys. Yes, as a matter of fact, you know, you are in my video. Shout out to Ate Lian for asking me. Shout out rin kay Ate Kay nanonood na.
Ayan.
Si Mimi na rin, nanonood na rin. Nyum! 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 Oh, oh, By the way, guys, I will be teaching this in another video, but I'm just gonna make this. Oh my god! By the way, this is like the best money farm. Money farm. This is probably like the best money farm ever. So, like, I earned so much money off that. Plus 25. I got 73. I will teach you guys how to do this. But I will actually do the ace boat. The ace boat is built different. How many blocks? Oh yeah. Oh wait, I should just. Oh my god, bro. I can add like more stuff. So like it's protected a lot. Oh my god. That's a lot.
Ay, sorry, Ace.
Oh my god. We're gonna make the symbolism of power. Oh wait, no, okay, that's fine. That's fine. I can make. That's fine. I can steal it. Why is it disintegrating? My cousins are so noisy. And my cousin is right beside me. Oh my god, I messed up. No. Oh wait, I have an idea.
Okay, Ace. Shh. Saan ka matutulog? Yay! Dito sa taas.
Upstairs.
Akala ko dito.
The big question is, oh my god, what is happening? Why are they despawning? Everything you built is despawning. You can get in my chair. Oh my god, I can't. Okay. Pause. I don't know. Where am I gonna spend this? Oh. Can you turn off? Check this stick somewhere. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Bro, how do I get in? Is this my only way to get... I have to build. I have to build. Good thing I have 80 blocks of steel, bro. I just went through. Why can't I move? Dude. I got to like rejoin because I think my game's bugging.
Sa taas ka. O, yan, o yan.
Dude, I don't know why. Oh, it's working. Okay, it works now. Ace boat. Don't mind that.
Si Lord siya doon, tapos si Andrew doon. Demonyo siya doon.
Oh, okay, it works.
Ay, tignan mo. Yung sa likod niya.
Yeah. Okay. Oh God. Oh my God, no. Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh my God. Boat, come back. Boat, don't leave me. Please, don't leave me. Umakyat ka dyan, no. Bato siya. Eh, di wala akong bangka.
Wala na.
Oh, God. Oh.
Bilisan mo. Maglakad ka na.
Oh, God.
Sobrang layo na. Wala na.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Layo. Ba't ka kasi tumalon?
In-stuck ako dun sa pool, eh.
Dapat tinayaan.
I'ma just cut. Oh. Wait, are these Candy? I'm built different. I'm built different. I guess I'm just built different. Oh, yeah. By the way, if I run out of jetpack fuel, I'm gonna be cooked.
Ano Wala
I'ma
na.
drop and
Ah,
drop. Boom.
galing oh. Ano yung shortcut? Ah, shit.
I'm just gonna cut like when I'm like almost at the end. Oh no, like we just got to the next one. I just realized it's like this. Oh no, I can make it. Oh my god, I almost died. Oh my god, I can make it. I can make it. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. By the way,
Ginagawa mong walang mo.
yeah, I'm built different. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, and also by the way, I'm gonna be doing a Dead Reels video soon. Wait, I'm actually out! Oh no. Oh no, no.
Isa yung anime na Devil May Cry.
Amo, sige, papanoodin ko yun mamaya.
Kasi pumayos ko kami na ako. Alam mo marami.
I'm gonna keep on spinning. I'm gonna keep on buying. Well guys, I guess this is where I will be ending it off. I mean, like, kinda, it's a pretty short video. Oh wait, I forgot. I haven't teach you guys how to make this. So easy. You will need. I'm just like using jetpack cause I just want. But if you can't get jetpack, that's fine. I am completely okay with that. Because somebody might complain in the comments. You need ice. So you should probably do some of the quest. What I did was finish. So that I got a lot. But if you like are trying to beat that as well, and you want to do this, you can just spin for it. I don't know which one exactly. Oh my god. And you're gonna need, where is it? This one. I don't know what it's exactly called, but you gotta get it here. Then you need to get this light as let's test it. See, it works. My problem with this is just like it's really hard to control without the jetpack. I do recommend jetpack, but like if you don't have money to buy it and you're trying to make this so you have money, yeah, you can also do this. Like it's really easy. The only really hard part, at the gate I just showed the build, but
Hindi ko nakita
I will do it later. Then you can just drop down, not guaranteed. See, I made money. And that's really the only way. So please like and subscribe.